Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey fishing a fish. Do you want to know what happened when Bluey went fishing today? Can you guess? Did she catch a tiny fish? A shiny big one? Or maybe something funny hiding under the water? What do you think, friends? One sunny morning, Bluey held a small fishing rod. Bingo bounced beside her. "Can I come too?" Bluey nodded. "Of course, we'll fish together." Children, can you pretend to hold a rod in your hands and swing it out gently? They sat by the sparkling river, the water cool and bright. The trees swayed in the breeze, and soft ripples danced. Mom packed snacks in a basket. Dad stretched out on the grass. "Good luck, little fishers," he smiled. "Kids, wave your hand like you're saying good luck." Bluey dropped her line into the water. "Now we wait." Bingo leaned forward, eyes wide. "Do you see anything?" Bluey whispered. "Shoo, be patient." Children, place a finger on your lips and whisper, "Shh," softly, waiting like Bluey. Suddenly, the line tugged. Bluey gasped. "It's moving!" Bingo clapped. "You caught something!" Kids, pull your hands back gently, like reeling in a fish. Like this video and subscribe my channel. With a little splash, a shiny silver fish came up. Bluey's eyes sparkled. "Wow, it's so bright!" Bingo leaned close. "It's beautiful!" Mom smiled. "Remember, gentle hands." Dad chuckled. "Say hello to your new friend." Children, can you wiggle your fingers like a fish swimming? Bluey held the fish carefully, its scales glimmering like tiny mirrors. "It feels cool and smooth," Bingo whispered. "Can we keep it?" Mom shook her head kindly. "Better to let it swim free." Bluey thought for a moment, then nodded. "You're right, it belongs in the river." She lowered the fish back into the water. Together, they watched it dart away, quick and happy. Kids, wave your hand as if saying goodbye to the fish. Bingo sighed. "That was the best catch." Bluey grinned. "Even if we don't keep it, it was special." Dad stretched. "Fishing isn't just about catching, it's about the fun we share." They sat down again, munching on snacks from Mom's basket. The sun warmed their shoulders. The river shimmered softly. Bluey leaned against Bingo. "I liked today." Bingo nodded. "Me too. It felt magical." Children, close your eyes for a moment and picture a shiny fish swimming free. As the day ended, the family waved at the glowing water. Bluey smiled, her heart full, ready for the next adventure. Now wave goodbye with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad, all smiling by the river, calm and happy.